Hello, we are Aiwa and today we are going to show you our new Bluetooth speaker BST-330. Let's start! In three colors, small and compact, are the three aesthetic traits of the Aiwa's new speaker model. But wait a moment! It's a portable speaker with RGB lights. It's available in three colors: red, blue and black. Perfect to match with your style. Which one would you choose? Moreover, like other Aiwa products, it comes with hyperbass technology. It boosts the lower frequencies and lets you hear your favorite music with the best sound quality. You will feel like you're in a concert wherever you are. And what do you think about the strong style of the box? Inside you can find the speaker, an aux-in cable, and like in other occasions, it comes with a braided nylon charge cable, much more resistant than others. But what makes a difference from this model to the other of the brands? You already seen it. Its compact design and its LED lights, 9 illumination modes in concrete. It also comes with IPX6 water resistant, so it's the best accessory for the beach, the snow, the shower. And the most important thing, it's so easy to turn on. You only have to click a simple button. Do you hear it? Attracting, isn't it? It has 3 modes thanks to its different connections. By Bluetooth, when you hear
Bluetooth mode,
it's ready to be paired. Now it's time to match it with your device. In Bluetooth settings, it will appear Aiwa BST-330. You click it and it's ready to listen to all your music. By aux-in, connect an end of aux-in cable included on the speaker and the other to the device that is going to reproduce the sound. Simple and easy. By TF card, introduce a TF card with MP3 music in the speaker and reproduce it without interferences. And you know the best part? It has a 10-hour playtime, and in just 1 hour and a half you can have it completely charged. It comes with hands-free function. It lets you take your calls with just one button. And thanks to its microphone included, the other person will hear you perfectly fine. To sum up, from the BST-330 we can highlight its hyperbass sound quality, its IPX6 water resistant, its variety in reproduction modes, its RGB illumination, its colors, its rope strap, its included accessories. And this is everything for today. If you like them and you want to know their availability, ask us with any doubt. Leave us a comment, give us a like, and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Oh, and don't forget to turn on your notifications if you want to know the latest news from Aiwa. We will see you in our next video.